The Wubo Original sunglasses can be purchased at a retail price of 100 USD. These are about half the price of their mainstream competition, the Ray-Ban Wayfarer sunglasses. This is the box the sunglasses is packaged in. Pretty nice design overall, I would say. It's very clean and minimal. It comes with this nice travel case that you can store these sunglasses in. The cool part about this case is that it can fold flat, so that makes it easier to store away when it's not in use. There are 13 color options to choose from, as you can see here. I got the champagne color frames in case you're wondering. From a design perspective, I am impressed. They look really good. I like the overall style, and with the choices of colors you can choose from, you will definitely find something to match your outfit. For the lens, you have two options to choose from. You can go with either the lightweight polarized lens, which are the more sportier option designed to reduce glare from surfaces like water or snow. Or you can choose their proprietary standard WLX lenses if you plan to wear these glasses in a more casual manner. These are not polarized, by the way. Whichever lens you decide to choose, the price of the frames will remain the same. I went with the standard WLX lenses since it was recommended by Wubo. I would say in environments I did wear these sunglasses in, they did a decent job of protecting my eyes from the sun. Not the best I've had when it comes to sunglasses, but still a good overall job. The frame of the sunglasses is made of a material called acetate. It's strong and durable, and it's also hypoallergenic. The hinges found on the sunglasses are made of stainless steel. The construction of the frame is sturdy and has a very premium touch. The overall build is strong. None of the hinges feel loose when you're using them. In terms of fit, I felt like for my face shape, it fits me pretty well for the most part. Everyone's face shape is different, so try to keep that in mind if you plan to go with these frames. If you want the exact measurements of the frames, I would pause the video now so you can see the info provided by Wubo on their website. So, to wrap this all up, I'm gonna keep this one short. These sunglasses are great when it comes to the overall design and style. For the price you are paying, it definitely feels like you're getting something that should be more expensive. Everything from the frames to the hinges feels strong and long lasting. The only thing I would say I was least impressed by was the functionality aspect of the WLX lenses. They did just an average job of sun and glare protection in my opinion. Not a horrible job, but not the best either. The WLX lenses are the only thing that doesn't feel premium about these sunglasses. I would probably go with the polarized options next time. Still, overall, with all that being said, the Wubo Original sunglasses are definitely worth it in my opinion. Just because of the value you're getting in return, to me, that makes it worth it. Whether you get the Wubo sunglasses or not, that's up to you. I'm just here to inform you from my perspective, the consumer's perspective. Anyways, let me know what your thoughts are in the comments, and as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm out.